नेक्स्ट हम डिस्कस करेंगे 5th यूनिट का निवेदिता मेंशन का वर्क सीइंग लाइक अ फेमिनिस्ट, चैप्टर नंबर 2। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। इन विच ईयर वाज निवेदिता मेनन बॉर्न? इनका जन्म कब हुआ था? 1958 में। वेयर वाज निवेदिता मेनन बॉर्न? द आंसर इज सी, पुणे में इनका जन्म हुआ था। व्हाट इज निवेदिता मेनन्स प्राइमरी फील्ड ऑफ एक्सपर्ट एंड टीचिंग? द आंसर इज बी, पॉलिटिकल थॉट्स। Which university did Nivedita Menon join as a professor of political thought in 2009? The answer is B. जवाहरलाल नेहरू यूनिवर्सिटी में उन्होंने एज अ प्रोफेसर पॉलिटिकल थॉट्स के रूप में काम किया था। Who were some of the global feminists that influenced Nivedita Menon's work? The answer is B. Betty Friedan, Germaine Greer, and Gloria Steinem. What is the distinction made by Nivedita Menon between sex gender in her work? The answer is C. Sex refers to biological characters and gender refers to culture meaning. What inspired the title Nivedita Menon's book Seeing Like a Feminist? The answer is D. Seeing Like a State by James C. Cott. ये क्वेश्चन इंपोर्टेंट है। What is the main focus of Nivedita Menon's book Seeing Like a Feminist? The answer is D. B. It ये एनालाइज करती है सोशल इंस्टीट्यूशंस को, पॉलिटिक्स को एंड कल्चर मीनिंग रिलेटेड टू जो जो कुछ भी जेंडर से रिलेटेड होता है। अकॉर्डिंग टू अ रिव्यू, एक रिव्यू के अकॉर्डिंग इन द गार्जियन में व्हाट डिड निवेदिता मेनन ने क्या सक्सीड किया इन डूइंग विद हर बुक सीइंग लाइक अ फेमिनिस्ट? द आंसर इज सी, सेटिंग डीपली ingrained myths and offering an intersection analysis. What was the topic of Nivedita Menon's speech during the JNU protest in March 2016? The answer is B. National formation and nationalist aspiration. What nickname is Nivedita Menon commonly known by among her students and peers? The answer is A. Nivi. निवी के नाम से वो जानी जाती थी। इन 1994 1994 में निवेदिता मेनन ने रिसीव की द ए.के. रामानुजन अवार्ड फॉर हर कंट्रीब्यूशन टू विच फील्ड? किस फील्ड में कंट्रीब्यूशन देने के लिए उन्हें रामानुजन अवार्ड मिला था? द आंसर इज बी, ट्रांसलेशन फ्रॉम हिंदी, हिंदी से ट्रांसलेशन करना एंड मलयालम को इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करने के लिए इन्हें अवार्ड मिला था। ये क्वेश्चन इंपोर्टेंट है। व्हाट इज द सेंट्रल थीम? सेंट्रल थीम क्या है निवेदिता मेनन की बुक की सीइंग लाइक अ फेमिनिस्ट? द आंसर इज बी, द ग्रेजुअल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सोशल फील्ड। अकॉर्डिंग टू निवेदिता मेनन के अकॉर्डिंग हाउ डज फेमिनिज्म perceived the transformation of the social field? The answer is C, as a slow and deceive process. What term does Menon use to describe the normalizing and naturalizing tendencies towards the concept of Indian society in relation to the body? The answer is B. How many chapter does the book Seeing Like a Feminist? The answer is B, 6. ये क्वेश्चन भी इम्पोर्टेंट है। What inspired the title of Nivedita Menon's book Seeing Like a Feminist? The answer is A, Seeing Like a State. What is the central theme of the second chapter, The Body in the Seeing Like a Feminist by Nivedita Menon? The answer is B, examination of societal attitudes towards the body. According to the chapter The Body, what historical and cultural factors influence the rigid division of bodies into male only and female only? The answer is C, colonialism. In second chapter, The Body, which scholar challenged the universality of gender as a social category in the context of non-Western culture? The answer is C, Oe Ronki Oebumi. What is the chapter The Body discussed regarding gender roles in pre-colonial Yoruba society? The answer is B, absence of gender roles. In Nivedita American culture, what does the term two spirit refers to? The answer is B. Individuals with two spirit, male and female. According to the text, the body, what identity did Bhakti Sen in India desire to attain in their quest for God? The answer is C. Loss of maleness and femaleness. According to Bindu Menon, what does the female impregnation Malayalam theatre contribution to shaping? The answer is B. Female appearance standards. What role does the chapter attributes to Bhakti Sant in Indian regarding sexuality and desire? The answer is B. Embracing sexuality. According to Menon, why was having a woman's body not significant for performing women on stage during Velikutti's times? The answer is B. Coded practice of femininity. What key concept related to the body, sex, and sexuality did 20th century philosophical and sociological intervention begin to question? The answer is A. Biological determinism. What fundamental justification for the subordination of women does the text attribute to the concept of biological determinism? The answer is D. Biological differences. According to feminist anthropologist, what varies across culture in terms of masculinity and femininity? The answer is B. Culture norms. What does Simone the behavior statement "one is not born but becomes a woman" suggest about the construction of gender? The answer is C. Gender is a social process. How does the text describe the shift in the color coding of boys and girls in the West in the mid 20th century? The answer is B. From blue to pink for girls. What does ecofeminism view the qualities associated with the feminine? The answer is C. As valuable and creative. According to the text, what role does the body play in constructing gender identity? The answer is B. Active participant. What did Judith Butler mean by the term heterosexual matrix? The answer is B. A grid enforcing fixed sexual identities. How does Butler challenge the traditional understanding of gender and sex? The answer is C. By asserting the cultural construction of gender. What is the significance of the term performativity in Butler's argument? The answer is B. How does Butler challenge the idea of binary understanding of sex differences? The answer is C. By suggesting the possibility of fluid sexual identities. What does the term intersex refers to in the context of the essay? The answer is C. Those born with ambiguous sex organs. What is the central theme of the chapter second, Seeing Like a Feminist? The answer is C. Feminist perspective on biological determinism. Why do feminist scholars critique the notion of gender text in the sports? The answer is D. They believe it reinforces gender stereotypes. इसी के साथ फिफ्थ यूनिट से रिलेटेड एमसीक्यूज फिनिश होते हैं। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम सिक्स यूनिट के एमसीक्यूज लेकर आएंगे। आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।